Hi there, I will be showing you how to navigate Canvas on your desktop. You will start by going to Woodland Community College.edu or yccd.edu, and on the upper right-hand corner, you will see Student Login. Click that and go to Canvas. Basically, what Canvas is, it is a web-based learning management system that allows students, educators, and learning institutions to access and manage online course learning materials. So basically, this is your dashboard where you have all of your courses that you can navigate to, and it will also have what is due the upcoming week. Right now, of course, since we are on summer break, I can only show you the blank coming up tab, but once you are registered, you will see all of the assignments that may be due for that week. To customize your profile, click on Account and Profile. You'll see edit profile here where you can edit your pronouns, contact information, preferred name, profile picture, and any links that you have to any professional websites. To navigate your courses, go to Dashboard. This is one option. And to color code, click on the upper right-hand tab of each course. So for this one, I have Elemental Spanish 1. So we have the different colors here. And this is just to help students organize a little bit better. Another way you can reach your courses is clicking on the left-hand tab, which has the rest of the tabs open that are important to Canvas. Click on any of the courses. I will go to a past one that I took. Normally in the upper right-hand corner, it will say submit assignment, and you would want to submit any assignments that you may have that you will also find in modules. And the modules, you will see all of the announcements, the chapter information for the week, and different discussions and imported assignments that you may have to upload. So I will go back to how to submit assignments. You will see that upper blue button that will say submit assignment, file upload, or text entry if it's more of a discussion-based assignment. And you will upload the file from your desktop. Whether you're using a laptop or a computer or even your phone, you will be able to access any files that you may want to upload. This is the text entry box where you will most likely use it for discussions. You kind of see where I pointed here, discussions. This can take you to the discussion portion of the class that will usually be open, that is sort of an informal way to submit assignments as well, that will just be used for discussion purposes only. It's not usually used for uploading your assignment. So then you'll go to calendar, where the courses should have different timelines of their each respective weeks. So you'll see maybe when exams are due, when assignments are due, just to kind of keep you prepared for the upcoming weeks and upcoming semester to plan your schedule out too, your personal schedule and your professional and your educational schedule. Over on Inbox, this is a direct way to email your professors on Canvas or your fellow students. You'll see here that you can compose a new message, and then you'll have your address and contact list for your different professors or courses that you may have. History, in case you may be lost and wondering how to get to the one assignment that you need to be, is under history. Commons is a tool that usually is for educators to find, import, and share resources that students will most likely not be using this, just because it is more of a common access area for educators to share their work to kind of see if they can help out each other. Studio, you may most likely be using just because it is a media tool that you can click create here. Studio Capture, Screen-O-Matic, which basically helps you record your screen. And in case you have any PowerPoint presentations that you may want to upload, like I had here, it would allow you to voice over that. kind of like a tutorial like this one. And you can also add your media from your desktop here. And this is basically another multimedia tool to upload your assignments to your professor. If you need any other questions or help, click on the Help tab on the last and lowest button in your side tabs. You'll see Canvas Support Hotline asking your instructor a question, and you can also chat with an online service between either faculty or student, training services, and COVID-19 Canvas resources. Canvas can be a little bit tough in the beginning to navigate, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes pretty simple once you know where to go and how often you will be going to which destination throughout Canvas.